Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Meet our friend Alex. He is very interested in exploring new cities, but he won't go out without checking the weather of that place. Now, Alex decided to develop a weather app using the API request. API request, which we have already seen in the last video, it is an interface between us and the server. Server is the one which handles the user request. So it is similar to a waiter in a restaurant where waiter helps us to get the food from the cooking area. Alex decided to use the OpenWeatherMap API. This API consists of current weather data and it also forecasts the future weather data. It also has the historical weather data and geographical maps collection. To use this OpenWeatherMap, it's not easy. We require a magic key, which is an API key. This API key is a security authentication purpose. Using this, you can get the data from the weather map. Now, let's help Alex with this API request with the form of code. Okay, so to generate the API key, let's get to this website OpenWeatherMap. So once you landed in this website, try to log in with your Gmail account. And once you have logged in, you will be seeing your API keys in the My API Keys, this section under this menu. So once you got this API key, you can start coding. So as always, let's use the Google Colab editor, and you can either use your API key directly or you can upload in the form of .env file. I have already uploaded here .env file where I have stored the API key in this format. This is only for the security purpose, or you can directly use here also. So to use the .env file, to load the API key from .env file, we need this package python.env. So first you have to download this. I have already installed this, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. And let's import the required packages. So we need request, OS and JSON. And I am loading the .env. So this is where the env file is getting loaded, and once it is loaded, it will fetch the OpenWeatherMap API key and it will be stored in this variable. Now we have the API key. Now let's find the current weather in the city London. So API key is loaded here and base URL is this, which is provided by the OpenWeatherMap, and city name is London, and this is the URL we are going to use. As we have seen already, to get the request, we always use request.get of URL, and we need to find if the status code is 200. Let's try to print this data. So the data will be in the form of JSON as we are providing this method to convert into a JSON format, which is basically a dictionaries. So we have different keys: coordinates, weather, and we have stations where temperature, minimum, maximum, pressure, humidity, sea level, everything. I am interested to get the weather, and in the weather I need the description, whether it is cloudy or not, and then I need to get the temperature. So this is how we have to fetch the key. Yeah, so weather in London is few clouds, temperature is in the form of a Kelvin. So we have generated the current weather in the city London. Now I need the 5-day weather forecast for the London, and that too every 3 hours I need it. So same API key, but the URL has to be a little different. We need to add the forecast keyword. This you can find it in the documentation of the OpenWeatherMap. On printing this, we see again a multiple keys, and we need to fetch only whatever we want. And this is in the form of a list, because since we asked for the 5 days forecast, right, it is providing in the form of a list, and I have rendered this list and have fetched the whatever the keys needed. Similarly, the weather description, temperature, all these keys I have fetched. Okay, on printing this, I am getting 5-day weather forecast. So today is 6th December, and it is giving starting from 6th December to 11th December, and for every 3 hours it is printing. So this is how the forecast can be done. One more main advantage is you can get the air pollution data of a city. So for that we require a latitude and longitude of the particular place that you can find in the internet, and post that you have to provide the URL, and URL you have to give the air pollution. So once we have fetched the data, and I am mapping the data air quality with the whether it is good, fair or very poor. So if it is very high, the air quality index is very high, I am telling it's very poor, and it is 1, I am telling good. So let's print this. Okay, 1 second, I didn't run this. Yeah, now we have get the air pollution data for London, followed by the components. So let's say carbon monoxide, all these particular components and how much level it is found in the air, that also can be found. Now we have helped Alex with the API request, and how to render this in the form of UI we'll see in the upcoming videos. Hope you have a good learning in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.